Gladiator 4991 after climb and maintain 3000 feet, clear for takeoff, runway 14.
Climb and maintain 3000 feet, clear for takeoff, runway 14, 491. Number 10, Gladiator 491, we advise there is a dead bird with north of intersection just beside the center line.
Roger. Dead bird from abeam north of far. ঠিক আছে, yeah, confirm you like to take up or you like to proceed little ahead for departure. Mobile tower. Right. তুমি একটু ট্রেনিং এ সবাইকে জানাও তো কারো বার্ড হিট হয়েছে কিনা। এই যে একটা ডেড বার্ড পাওয়া গেছে তোমার নর্থ আলফা, আর ক্যান ইউ এন্টার দ্য রানওয়ে এন্ড ক্লিয়ার দ্য বার্ড। Confirm North Alpha. From C10 reported just abeam North Alpha.
Roger, entering.
Roger, and advise training that there is a dead bird. আমাদের কোনো হেলিকপ্টার হয়েছে কিনা দেখো। NOVO 723 Dhaka.
Go at 73.
Did you monitor the information, sir?
Affirmative, and we are holding.
That is correct, sir.
Saudia 965 from approaching runway 14.
Saudia
Copy. BGI?
965, hold in the sequence. Number 2, there is a dead bird on the runway. You might have to hold in the holding point.
Okay, continue to hold in sequence, runway 14, Saudia 965. Tower mobile.
Mobile, go ahead.
Runway clear.
Very clear, thank you. Understand you are suspecting a bird hit? Yeah, copied. In that case, descend and maintain 1000 feet. Descend 1000 feet in your present position. Report over Delta Alpha 1000 feet for full stop landing.
Tower NOVO 952, maintaining 4000.
NOVO 952, maintain 4000 feet. Hold over Delta Alpha. We are handling an emergency aircraft having bird hit. Will be number 1, sir. Hold position.